Hi everyone, my name is Iva Nazia. You can call me Iva. Okay, I will show you how to make fried banana with cheese. Okay, let's do it. First of all, I will introduce the ingredients. We have 4 banana, 1 spoon of sugar, 6 spoons of flour, water, a pinch of salt, cooking oil, condensed milk, grated cheese. Now we are ready for the step. First, mix flour, salt, and sugar in a mixing bowl and mix it well. Second, add water little by little. Mix the batter vigorously until it is evenly smooth for coating. If the batter is too thin, you can add flour. Next, peel the banana and cut it into 2 pieces. After that, pour the cooking oil into the pan and let it the heat. Then, dip the banana into the batter to coat. And then, place coated banana in a deep fryer and wait until it becomes golden and crispy. Next, remove fried bananas from oil and drain it on paper napkins. Finally, add condensed milk and grated cheese on the fried bananas. Serve it while still warm.